Guys, good morning. I hope you're doing fine. It's me again. Karibu sana to our today's vlog, and if you're new, subscribe, like, share, watch till the end so that you can leave a comment. I am already late. I'm supposed to go to town like immediately na nishachelewa. I wanted people to get ready with me, but unfortunately I guess nishamaliza everything. Nimebakisha tu kuvaa viatu. Basically, I'm going to town cause I have an order of zinitangwaje cupcakes and I do not have a tray. Sina tray ya kubake cupcakes, so I'm going to my tutor's place niende nikabekie huko. And let me just show you some of the things that I'm carrying. The customer ordered cupcakes zikuwe passion flavored and vanilla flavored. Yeah, passion na vanilla, so I have to carry these two. And pia alikuwa nataka I cream them color white and pink, so not pink, I mean purple, so I have this purple food color. And then I'm also carrying the cupcakes cups. Yeah, so hizi ndo vitu nabeba. And my tutor, before I went home, that was last year deck, I was baking at my tutor's place before I went home, so I left some of my ingredients huko, kinaunga, what is it called, sugar, BB and everything. So everything else is over there. So what I have to do is just to carry this small ingredients of mine with my kofia. Let me show you my apron and my chef's hat. Yeah, I'm late. I can't even tell you, I feel so bad. So let me just pack my things faster. I'm also going to carry eggs. I have a lot eggs. I'm also going to carry them with me. And I hope I'll get a chance to take some clips. Sometimes filming or recording videos is kind of hard, but I hope nitapata. I'll record some clips. Actually, I have to carry this hairband, but not a pink one, a black one. So light. Lighting in a don't mind about the lighting. My ringlet is here, and I have no time to nini. I'm also carrying this box. Let me just show you this cupcake box. 12 of them. I can only pack only 12 of them here. Yeah, so I'm carrying this box and Nisha, get ready. I wanted people to get ready with me, but unfortunately I'm ready. And my bag, let me pick my bag and wear the shoes. Ndo tutoke tuende. I'm already late. Oh my god. Motivation. Finally, I'm done. My house is a messy right now, and I cannot afford kwanza kupanga nyumba sahi. So, because Johnny, I'll be very free in the evening when I come back. So, I'm gonna panga my nyumba when I come back. But for now, let's just go. car. I have already delivered the creamed cupcakes. Aki, I'm so tired. Today I did not take I did not go around town with any motorbike or any assistance. I have walked a lot in town, and I've also footed when I was coming to my house. So yeah, and it was so sunny. It's so fucking hot. It's so hot. So actually I am tired. I need to freshen up. I'm eating one of the cupcakes in ilibaki. Let me show you. Yeah, exactly. One of the cupcakes yenye ilibaki, and I need to freshen up and nisafishe nyumba. My house is messy, like messy. So I think I'm going to end the vlog. That was too short. I didn't want it to be like that. That was too short. But anyway, let me just end the vlog. Thanks so much for watching. Thanks for being here. Kindly subscribe if you haven't, like, share, and leave a comment. Goodbye, see you in the next video.